Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I will show you microphone not working on iPhone and iOS devices. Please, first of all, please open setting, and you can see here, please scroll down and now tap on privacy and security and scroll down and tap on microphone, and you can see here all application not allowed for using the microphone. So how can I enable? Please follow these steps. Now you can see here it will not enable from here. Now close window and again open setting and scroll down, tap on screen time and scroll down again, and now tap on content and privacy restriction and scroll down, and now tap on microphone and tick on allow changes and go back and close the window and open setting and scroll down, and now tap on privacy and security. You can see here, now tap on it, now tap microphone. You can see here all application enabled for using the microphone. I hope your problem has been solved after watching my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.